Welcome to the next session of 5G technology. This video lecture deals with the role of 5G technology in agriculture, healthcare, and industry, and also it deals with the challenges on this field. In precision farming, 5G enabled IoT sensors monitor the soil moisture, temperature, and nutrient of the crops in levels in real time. This data, monitored data, will be sent to the cloud for processing by using the AI. AI recommend the optimal time for irrigation and fertilization. Smart irrigation system using 5G sensor and AI can successfully reduce the water consumption up to some certain level. Crop monitoring system by using drone. 5G drones fly over the fields capturing high resolution images. These images will be processed in real time by using edge computing. AI detect pest infected crop and diseased crop, and also it monitors the crop health based on the detected value of the crop. The yield will be increased while reducing the pesticide use. Autonomous tractors and robotics. 5G enable real-time control of autonomous tractors and robots. These vehicles used for ploughing, seeding and spraying the fertilizer with high precision. For livestock monitoring applications, health monitoring through IoT and IoT 5G can be implemented. The 5G sensors are attached to the cattle for health tracking. Farmers receive the real-time data as an alert for disease or abnormal behavior of the cattle. The major challenges in agriculture is low crop yield due to unpredictable weather, inefficient use of water and fertilizers, labor shortage, lack of real-time monitoring systems, how to overcome the water wastage, pest control and plant disease in the agriculture field. Still, it is in lot of researches is going on. The challenges associated with various technology such as 5G, AI, IoT, and edge computing to solve it is very difficult. The major research opportunities on this field is design of 5G powered smart agriculture system. The key features of 5G based agriculture system: low latency, that is, it enables real-time control of drone, robots and automated irrigation. Massive IoT connectivity, that means it supports thousands of sensors per square kilometer. High-speed data transfer. It enables real-time video streaming from drones for crop monitoring systems. 5G technology in healthcare field. Remote surgery, a robotic arm controlled by a surgeon remotely operates on a patient. This is the example in 2019 China performed the first remote brain surgery over 5G with 3000 kilometer distance between the doctor and the patient. The surgeon, Dr. Lin Sipei, implanted a neurostimulator on brain's pacemaker into the patient with Parkinson's disease. 5G ensures real-time, lag-free precision movement, AI assistance in identifying critical areas and guiding the surgeon. For the telemedicine and remote patient consultation, doctor consults the patient via high resolution 5G video call. 5G ensures smooth, high quality video streaming without buffering, AI powered diagnosis, analysis, speech pattern, and facial expression to detect the disease. And wearable health monitoring systems, smart watches, ECG monitor, glucose sensor, collect the real time patient data. This data is transmitted through 5G to edge server for AI-driven early disease detection. Based on the AI detected value, doctors receive the instant alert in case of abnormal readings if anything happen. So, for the healthcare, the technology supported are IoT, 5G, and cloud AI. AI powered ambulance and emergency responses are implemented slowly. 5G ambulances transmit the live patient vitals and video to hospitals before arrival. AI predict the patient condition based on the real-time sensor data, and the doctors prepare the surgery before the patient arrives. The importance of 5G in healthcare. Ultra low latency. All informations are transmitted with less than 1 millisecond, so critical for real time surgeries and emergency responses. High speed data transfer enable seamless video streaming for telemedicine. Massive IoT connectivity supports millions of health monitoring devices. Example, wearable monitoring system, ECG monitor, everything happen with the help of 5G. Edge computing integration enables real-time AI analysis without cloud delays. The major challenges in healthcare system: limited access to the doctors, especially in the rural areas, need for real-time patient monitoring system, and delay some emergency responses. High bandwidth requirement for medical imaging and telemedicine is required. Recent research challenge opportunities in healthcare field is the secure patient data through the transmission through 5G, AI and blockchain technology. 5G powered smart hospitals with real-time automation, AI-driven drug delivery by using 5G cloud computing, and drone-enabled drug delivery to the remote places are recent research opportunities in healthcare field. 5G play a vital role in industry. For example, smart manufacturing unit, if we consider, the mobile industries uses 5G enabled predictive maintenance to to reduce the machine failure in its factories, and the robotic arms and optical eye for verifying the PCB design and alignment. 5G technology is used. IoT sensors in machine collect real-time data on temperature, pressure, vibration, etc. AI predict machine failure before they happen, reducing the downtime. In the industrial automation and robotics, 5G powered robots handle repetitive tasks like assembling, welding, and packaging. Robots communicate with each other in real time with ultra low latency. Edge computing process data on site for immediate decision making. This is the image shows the example of car manufacturing unit uses the 5G connected robot in a smart factory to improve the efficiency and the flexibility. 5G ensures the worker safety and hazardous environment monitoring also. 5G enabled wearable monitor the worker's vital heart rate, body temperature, gas exposures. Based on that, the AI analyzes the data and it gives alert to the supervisors for the potential hazards. 5G wearable in oil refineries, mines may reduce the workplace accident. The key features of 5G for industry, the features are ultra low latency, high speed data transfer and massive IoT connectivity. Why it is important for the industry means ultra low latency enable real time machine communication and essential for automation. High speed data transfer allows seamless remote monitoring and predictive maintenance. Massive IoT connectivity support thousands of sensors and smart devices. Connections in the factory network slicing create the dedicated networks for different industrial processes. The research opportunity associated with the industry, the impact and implementation of 5G on smart education, entertainment, augmented reality and virtual reality technology, and also various manufacturing industries too. Thank you.